Hello, my friend. Welcome back to day 2 of our 5-day English Confidence Challenge. If you watched day 1, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, don't worry. You can still join us. In day 1, we practiced positive affirmations and thinking in English. Today, we're taking the next step. If you haven't watched day 1 yet, make sure to check it out after this video and continue the challenge from the beginning. Our topic for day 2 is making plans. You'll practice 50 simple, everyday English sentences that you can actually use when talking about your plans, your schedule, your weekend, and your daily life. But here's today's challenge. Don't just listen. Speak out loud. Listen to each sentence, pause if you need to, and repeat it with confidence. And while you're practicing, choose one sentence that you can use in your real life today. Take a deep breath. Get comfortable. And let's get started. Relax. Listen. Speak. I'm going to wake up early tomorrow. I'm going to wake up early tomorrow. I'm planning to clean my room this evening. I'm planning to clean my room this evening. I'll call you after lunch. I'll call you after lunch. We're meeting at the cafe at 5. We're meeting at the cafe at 5. I'm going to finish my homework tonight. I'm going to finish my homework tonight. What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? I'm thinking of visiting my friend tomorrow. I'm thinking of visiting my friend tomorrow. Let's watch a movie tonight. Let's watch a movie tonight. I'll let you know later. I'll let you know later. We're going to have dinner together tonight. We're going to have dinner together tonight. Great job. You've completed the first 10 sentences. You're off to a great start. Take a quick breath and let's keep going. I'm planning to start a new book this week. I'm planning to start a new book this week. Are you free tomorrow afternoon? Are you free tomorrow afternoon? I'm going to buy some groceries after work. I'm going to buy some groceries after work. Let's meet outside the library. Let's meet outside the library. I'll see you on Monday. I'll see you on Monday. We're planning to go to the beach this Sunday. We're planning to go to the beach this Sunday. I need to finish a few things before I leave. I need to finish a few things before I leave. What time are we meeting? What time are we meeting? I'm going to practice English for 30 minutes today. I'm going to practice English for 30 minutes today. Let's have breakfast together tomorrow. Let's have breakfast together tomorrow. Wow, you've made it halfway through. 20 sentences down and only 30 more to go. You're doing really well. Don't stop now. Let's continue. I'm planning to visit my grandparents next weekend. I'm planning to visit my grandparents next weekend. I'll send you the details tonight. I'll send you the details tonight. Are you planning to travel this month? Are you planning to travel this month? I'm going to organize my desk tomorrow. I'm going to organize my desk tomorrow. Let's talk about it after dinner. Let's talk about it after dinner. I'm thinking of joining a new class. I'm thinking of joining a new class. We're meeting at the bus stop at 8. We're meeting at the bus stop at 8. I'll bring some snacks for everyone. I'll bring some snacks for everyone. I'm going to finish this work before lunch. I'm going to finish this work before lunch. What are you planning to do tomorrow? What are you planning to do tomorrow? Fantastic! You've completed 30 sentences. You're doing great. Take a breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready for the next 10. Let's go shopping after work. Let's go shopping after work. I'm planning to spend some time with my family this weekend. I'm planning to spend some time with my family this weekend. I'll call the doctor tomorrow morning. I'll call the doctor tomorrow morning. We're going to celebrate her birthday on Saturday. We're going to celebrate her birthday on Saturday. I need to make a few plans for next week. I need to make a few plans for next week. Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? I'm going to cook something special tonight. I'm going to cook something special tonight. Let's meet at the usual place. Let's meet at the usual place. I'll check my schedule and tell you. I'll check my schedule and tell you. We're planning to leave early in the morning. We're planning to leave early in the morning. Amazing! 40 sentences completed, only 10 more to go. You've come this far, so stay with me until the end. Let's finish strong. I'm thinking of taking a short break. I'm thinking of taking a short break. Let's make a plan for tomorrow. Let's make a plan for tomorrow. I'm going to learn 10 new words today. I'm going to learn 10 new words today. What time are you going to leave? What time are you going to leave? I'll meet you near the entrance. I'll meet you near the entrance. We're going to visit a new restaurant this weekend. We're going to visit a new restaurant this weekend. I'm planning to wake up earlier from tomorrow. I'm planning to wake up earlier from tomorrow. Let's decide after we talk about it. Let's decide after we talk about it. And I'll message you when I get home. And I'll message you when I get home. I'm looking forward to our weekend plans. I'm looking forward to our weekend plans. And that's the end of day 2. You just practiced 50 sentences about making plans. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, what are you planning to do tomorrow? Try to answer in English using one of the sentences you learned today. For example, I'm planning to, or I'm going to. And don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to practice, speak, and become more confident. If you're new here, don't forget to watch day 1 of the challenge first. It will help you start the series from the beginning. And if you completed day 1 and day 2, comment day 2 completed. I'll see you in day 3. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going.